Welcome to Faithful Computers. We're running a monthly special on free diagnostics, and basically what that includes is that you bring your computer, we diagnose it for free, and depending on the situation, if it's a virus or if it's the driver issues or if it's the operating system, we have the best, lowest prices in the area. We also guarantee our work 90 days labor, and basically also we have extended warranties for laptops. We have a 3-year extended warranty for $39.99, and that covers your laptop for 3 years.